Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete a channel in Slack. So first of all, open up your Slack application, and as you can see I've already opened up my Slack application, and here you will find various channels that you are already included in. For example, suppose you wanna delete this channel, which is called Team Alpha. All you have to do is hover your mouse pointer here, just click on right click, click on view channel details. Here you will find various options such as about, member. If you want to add member, here you can just type the member's name or email address, integration, and settings. In the settings part, and the bottom, you will find delete this channel. Just click on this and click on this yes, permanently delete the channel, and click on delete channel, and see, the channel is permanently deleted. This is how you can delete a channel in Slack. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. Please leave a like button and hit that subscribe button as well. Hope you all see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.